Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala style beef fry.
We are using coconut pieces in this recipe. It makes this beef fry very tasty and unique recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of cleaned and washed beef. Add 1 sliced onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 8 to 10 curry leaves, and 1 tablespoon oil. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Take a cooker and add the beef with masala mix. Add 2.5 cup of water. Close it and cook for 6 whistles. Cooking time for each cooker will be different. After 6 whistles, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 15 minutes. Then open it. Our beef has cooked well. We need thick gravy. If you have excess water, reduce it by cooking open. Now to fry, in a pan take 2 tablespoon oil, 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon garam masala powder, cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 3/4 cup of coconut pieces, half teaspoon salt, 8 to 10 curry leaves and mix it well. Fry the coconut pieces for 3 to 4 minutes until the coconut pieces become slight yellowish color. Now add the cooked beef pieces. And mix it well. Cook on medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes dry. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. All the excess water content has been lost and it's been dry. Transfer to a serving bowl. Our Kerala style dry beef coconut fry is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.
Ba-da-ba-ba